morphing KARAMBIT represents a complete rethinking of the folding pocket knife. It's a response to some very important questions. How can you deploy a pocket knife blade while your fingers are securely wrapped around the handle? Do your fingers have to cross the rotational path of a blade? How do you discreetly secure a KARAMBIT-style pocket knife without the inconveniences of a traditional pocket clip? The morphing KARAMBIT has just 5 principal parts plus fasteners. It's compact and rugged, with unprecedented functionality in its category.
The best camera is the one that captures every angle. Meet the Insta360 ONE. It records in every direction, so you never miss a shot. Shooting in 360 unlocks some amazing possibilities, like hypnotically smooth stabilization, or a selfie stick that disappears, so that your camera can fly. Slow things down to get a mind-blowing perspective. Cinematic edits are easy. Just mark the best parts of your shot. The ONE connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Lock on to any subject. The ONE keeps it steady in center frame. Show 2 angles at once and get the whole story. Use the ONE on its own, or shoot 360 straight from your phone. You can focus on enjoying the moment. The ONE will take care of capturing it.
He missed! Ah!
Better?
Three, two, 1, 0. Roger out.
We enjoy playing popular Switch games with friends, and we are accustomed to working with our cell phones and our computers when we are on business. But running out of battery is really painful for us. Even though we may bring a portable power pack with us, It takes several hours to charge. Therefore, we have to keep it in mind to charge it at all times. Is there a power pack that can be charged within a few minutes instead of several hours? Now we have it. Apollo, the world's first portable power pack using graphene composite battery and USB CPD technology. It supports up to charge at 60 watt, which means battery with capacity of 6,000 milliamps can be fully charged in 20 minutes or so. Apollo supports the Power Delivery 3 protocol. You don't need to bring a separate adapter with you because it is compatible with USB-C power adapters of Nintendo Switch, Apple MacBook, Lenovo laptop, Dell laptop, or HP laptop. If you have only old laptop chargers or MagSafe adapters, you can also use our AnyWatt adapter to charge Apollo. Besides, Apollo supports 40-watt USB CPD output, which means it supports the fast charging of the latest iPhone 8 or iPhone X, or in an emergency, it supports emergency charge to your Apple MacBook. Apollo realizes application of graphene composite cell to mobile power pack for the first time in the world. On the basis of the same capacity and the same charging current, the cell with graphene composite material has much smaller internal resistance and better conductivity. Therefore, the temperature rise is lower during super-fast charging, so it is safer, and cell swelling and burning will never happen. In addition, graphene cell can effectively improve the cycle life of the cell substantially, from 300 times to 10,000 times. With Apollo, now you can play and work anytime, anywhere, with no worries about charging.
By using a slow shutter speed and a light source, you can create stunning photographs. This photography style is known as light painting. In order to prepare for a shoot, you will need different accessories that just isn't worth the effort. However, light painting is an art that not many people have the patience to learn and master. After a lot of trial designs, we've come up with the Magilight, the ultimate all-in-one practical tool, which allows you to master light painting in minutes. Whether you are a professional photographer, light painting artist, or an enthusiast, Magilight has been created to effortlessly fit all your light painting needs in an all-in-one stick. It is extremely easy to create a light paint photography with Magilight. Set your camera in long exposure mode, select the image, and press the shutter. Now, all you need to do is to hold and move Magilight to create stunning photographs. Thanks to the 144 high-quality LED light bulbs, you can adjust the brightness, color temperature, and even RGB values. With the continuous motion setting, you can create the light painting animation without every time choosing the image. The unique blinking mode allows you to produce the flash effect easily. Featuring a titanium body and adjustable tighteners, you can easily adjust Magilight to your likings. With the bearing rotator, you can spin it effortlessly and create incredible photos. Magilight is also compatible with universal sliders and stands. The lithium batteries are rechargeable. With only a single charge, it lasts for 8 hours, so you can take it anywhere you want. Now you can simply create stunning photos with Magilight. Magilight, the ultimate all-in-one light painting tool for you.